Well, what a year of centenary celebrations it's been. We've offered something for everyone to get involved with across our Canford community, including live streams across the globe for Canfordians unable to join us in person. We marked our Christian foundation with such a wonderful and very special service in Salisbury Cathedral, including a new centenary composition by O.C. Howard Moody. We enjoyed a June afternoon in the sunshine for our Proms in the Park concert. OC's had drinks in London, and the Boat Club organised a magnificent Henry Road past. An impressive array of cakes were produced for a Canford staff centenary bake-off, while our centenary film involved Canfordians past and present and was launched alongside an engaging new website. There is a range of centenary merchandise to remember the year by, available in the school, shop and online, including a very unique Canford in 100 Objects book, compiled by archivist Richard Knott. We have woven our 100 years through teaching and learning, through sport, arts, and through so many wider community events, and it has been a truly inclusive and collaborative year. Art has also featured prominently within our celebrations, and we're indebted to OC Anthony Eiton for taking the time to return to Canford in his own 100th year to share a beautiful painting of Canford Manor with us. In school, the art department ran a centenary art competition for junior schools and produced a pupil-led centenary mural. And the final event of our centenary year was the unveiling of our centenary Canford Sphere sculpture at a reception last Thursday. This is the result of another generous collaboration between current parents and renowned sculptor Zoe Wilson, with support from Canford staff. The 8 elements represent the intertwined couplets of the 4 school values: courageous attitude, purposeful engagement, humble ambition and gracious leadership. And it has been crafted by hand using local Portland limestone. It is a symbolic, timeless piece, which I hope will inspire all who stop to both admire it as an artwork and reflect on what it means to them personally. As the final days of 2023 approach, thank you to everyone who has made the centenary year such a special one for us all in so many ways. And here are just some of the very memorable moments from the past 12 months. I wish you all a very happy and peaceful Christmas.